Hi everyone, today I will show you how to convert a photosphere into a video using the Insta360 Studio program. In the program, select Photosphere and insert it into the program. Go to Animate. Choose the duration of the video. I'm going to rotate the image half a circle and zoom it out a little and drag the marker on the timeline halfway and then right-click on the image. Then move the marker to the end of the timeline, rotate the image back to the beginning. I zoomed in and right-click on the image again. Then click play to see what the video will look like. To create a video, go to Export. Set the bitrate to maximum. Set the resolution, I put to 4K. Set video title. I will set the encoding format to H.265. Frame rate set to maximum. And click on Export. And the video is ready. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.